Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Trends. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project and where you can earn a lot of profit before starting our video. Request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today video is again about Evora Exchange and we will tell you more key benefits of the registering on Evora and more things about the project. So friend, let's begin the review. First of all, I tell you how to order from the Evora exchange, how to get benefits from the Evora. You can see help trade smarter. We have already on first video, and this is second video for the trading and after more things. So first of all, I tell you how to participate in the lucky draw. You can easily get one up to one BTC from lucky draw, and also they are trading contracts for phases where you can earn 20,000 USDTs, and also financial more centers they have concentration. So friend, like that you can earn a lot of profits from this Evora exchange, and you have ultimate AI trading assistant also. So friend, we tell you the everything you need in the place, everything you will find here, and after that we'll tell you the main thing of this app is how to get rewards from the referral program. You can easily refer your friend and earn profit from it. The reward center is here, and you can easily earn rewards from their affiliate center, and this is up to 4,888 euros worth of exciting benefits just for you if you go through this app and invite your friends here. After inviting your friend, you can easily get an exclusive lucky draw benefits and more things, and up to 1 Bitcoin you can easily earn from this website. So friend, Evora exchange giving exclusive bonuses and exclusive rewards for affiliating your friend and family from there. And next we will tell you the. So here we go, friends. We have some new and exclusive things on their website, and you can see in the bottom of the website, this is the VIP zone. If you click on the VIP zone, you can see the interface like this, and you can get some vouchers, and you can apply for these free vouchers, and you can get a green and red voucher from there, where you can earn you can get $20 and $30, total $50, and you can trade with them and earn profit, and it is totally free. So we'll tell you how to apply for that. There you please see apply for vouchers and click on the apply for vouchers. When you click on the apply for vouchers, you can see apply for Aurora bonus. We are seeking high volumes traders, VIP clients, influencers, and individuals, calls, and community leaders. And this is for the calls and community leaders. You can easily get free vouchers from here for $50. You can see exchanges join VIP zone, and you can easily clicking by here and filling this form, enter your name and UID with your Evora exchange, and after that if you have team, you can get your team UID and enter here. After that, how much trial bonus you want to claim. If you want to claim bonus, you can click here and enter your amount and application reason, and after that referral name you can easily set there is optional, and click on the submit option. When you click on the submit option, you will get the vouchers, and we will tell you in their app, and after in the last of the video we will tell you how to trade with those vouchers. So friends, like that you can easily get vouchers and VIP in VIP zone and apply for the bonus and bonus voucher, and easily you can trade from there.
So friends, we are in the app of the Evora exchange, and you can see we have already get $20 for free and vouchers, and we'll tell you these. You can see the voucher option. After going through the of voucher, they will give you two vouchers. First voucher is green for 20 USDT, and second is the red for 30 USDT. You can easily go to the trade and activate. First of all, activate your account card, and after activating your card, you will go through the and for activating you click on the future option and future option, and then click on the three dots option, and after that activate your future account. After activating your future account, you can easily go through the app and earn profit, and also you can see you can trade in the future with this $20 you can trade with any of them pair, and they have given 300 plus pairs, and you can easily go through any of these projects, these coins, and easily earn profit from it. You have 20 USDT here. You can see we have already 20 USDT in our account, and we can easily trade with it. So friend, for trading, you can, go through their cross chain, and after that go through the your margin, and click on the trade option. If you want to buy on the long or the short, you can easily go through this app and check their data, and check their benefits here. And if you want to buy on long, you can easily want to buy on long, and if you want to buy on short, you can easily buy for short. When you click on the option, you can easily go through their trade and earn profit from these 20 USDT. And after that, you can earn profit and withdraw easily from it. So like that, you can easily. And this app also support the spot trading and future trading most. And after that, you can see your assets. You have 20 USDT already, and you can easily go through their future trading and earn profit from. So friend, I hope today video is benefits, more benefits for you. If you like our video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.